All right, I'm here with Pete at Pete's Meat out of Reno, Nevada, and he's using some of our Garlic Festival products on his tri-tip. So Pete, if you could explain.
So what we did, we took some of the habanero pickled garlic oil, chopped them up a little, and then studded them inside this tri-tip here. So as it cooks, the garlic's gonna get even more soft, more delicious, with that good habanero pickled flavor in the tri-tip. Then we use the roasted garlic marinade. Use that, soak it overnight. We're gonna slice it up real thin, put on some tri-tip sliders. So we'll be looking forward to that.
Thank you very much. We'll check back later, Pete. Thank you. All right, we're here again with Pete at Pete's Meats out of Reno, Nevada, and he's cooking the tri-tip using the Garlic Festival garlic habanero pickled garlic. So go ahead, Pete.
So what we did so far is we reverse seared it. So we cooked it low and slow in the barbecue, and then we're resting it right now. We're letting it, juices, everything get happy, and then we're gonna put it back on the grill, give it a nice hard sear, that crusty goodness that everybody loves.
Oh, jeez Louise.
And yeah, that's when we're gonna slice it up, put on some sliders with the garlic aioli, and
oh yeah,
it's gonna be delicious.
There we go. How long will you let it rest, you think?
Probably another, it's been off like 10 minutes, so maybe another 10.
Oh, okay. Let me get a picture real quick. And once again, that's Pete at Pete's Meat in Reno, Nevada. Thank you very much. This is Greg with Garlic Festival Foods, back again with Pete. He's getting ready to slice the tri-tip with the Garlic Festival habanero garlic and make sliders. So take it away, Pete.
So we just finished the sear part of our tri-tip. So you see it's nice medium rare. It's got some nice chunks of garlic inside of it. It should be nice and tasty,
yeah,
juicy. It's gonna make great sliders with the garlic aioli. It's gonna be great. Oh yeah, we made some garlic bread.
I didn't give it to you for that, but I didn't mean for it. Thank you. Thank you, Pete. All right. We'll visit you here in a little while when you're putting them together, Pete. Thanks.
Yeah.
All right, Pete finished slicing. Oh yeah, look at the Garlic Festival.
Falling all out of it, so nice little garlicky piece here, nice and tender.
Oh, there we go. Look at the smile on Pete's face.
The winner right there.
All right. Look at that. Beautiful. Now Pete's gonna make sliders, and then these are gonna be judged in the anything garlic category. Is that right, Pete?
Anything goes with garlic.
All right, well we're wishing Pete good luck, and we can't thank him enough, and hopefully he turns into a rock star now.